Unlock the secret to easy car maintenance in just minutes. Today we're working on a Mercedes SL550 and we're doing a transmission fluid change. First step, we need to remove the E10 torque screws, and there's 6 of them. And once we do that, we can drop the pan. So there's 6 bolts that have to come out of the transmission pan. And next step is there's a bracket that has to be removed as well. It's an E10 bolt as well. And now you can drop the pan, and we'll get inside and we'll clean off the magnets. Okay, now that the transmission pan has been dropped, we're gonna remove the transmission filter. And this is the transmission filter right here. So it is separate from the pan. Some of the transmissions have a filter attached to it. In this case, it's separate. Okay, next steps, let's take the gasket off the transmission pan. All right, and we're gonna clean this up really good. We'll put it in the parts cleaner. There's some magnets in here as well that we need to clean, and then we'll be ready to put it back on. All right, now we're going to take the trans pan, put it in our parts cleaner, and that's really important. Okay, we'll let this clean for a few minutes and then we'll come back and move on to the next step. Okay, now we're going to remove the transmission filter, and there's no bolts, it just pops out. Okay, at this point we've removed the transmission pan, we've removed the gasket, and we've removed the transmission filter. So we're going to get everything cleaned up, come back and put everything back together. Next steps, we're going to install the transmission filter, and it just goes right up in the hole right there. Exactly. Okay, and we're all clean. And we'll take the transmission pan back.
Make sure the magnets are still in it.
Yeah, magnets are still in there. That's really important. Thanks for calling that out, Ronnie. See the magnets right here? Make sure those didn't fall out and they're clean. So, okay, we're gonna head back and install it now. All right, next steps, we're gonna install the gasket. Just firmly press it down so you know it's all the way down, and you're good to go. All right, next steps, reinstalling the transmission pan. The gasket has been installed. And then we've got to put 6 bolts back in it, as mentioned. Okay, next steps, go through and all 6 E10 bolts, make sure those are torqued to 70 inch-pounds, which equates also to 5.9 foot-pounds. And a special note, before you install the bracket, you'll block the fill hole. So wait to do this last steps. So here's the fill hole. We're going to fill it up with new tranny fluid, and we'll be right back to show you how to do that. And the last step is to add the fluid, and in this case it's roughly 6 quarts. Okay, we're about to wrap this up. The last step, we want to make sure that the vehicle engine is running, and we're going to monitor the transmission fluid temp. And once it reaches around 113 to 118 degrees roughly, we're going to let the remaining fluids drain so we're at the appropriate levels, and then we'll button it up.